Audio Jungle.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. I hope you are doing very well, guys. And here is Victoria with you guys. And here today I am talking about very beautiful meme platform that is basically on one and only Solana blockchain, guys. And yes, here is I am talking about Stoner Frog, and here you can see that very beautiful awesome profile of Stoner Frog at my channel. And here you can see that today Stoner in the mood of smoke with a flu. And here I will give you a complete review how you have to join, how you have to buy, so you have to stay connected, stay tuned with me. And I have placed all of the official links in my video description. So guys, let's go. And here before starting their beautiful review, I would request, if you are new on my channel Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with a very awesome platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So here you have to just give a like. And guys, let's go. And now we talk about Stoner Frog. And here I will meet. You have to just join our all of the socials, guys. And like here you can see that you have to join our Twitter account. You have to follow, like, comment, retweet, and let's go and discuss about this. Before that, I have to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to take your own risk, guys. So here I am representing a very unique blend of humor and very street culture, guys. So you have to be part of this movement, guys. Let's go. And here and where here you have to see this amazing, awesome, very beautiful profile. And guys, here you have to explore the frogs essence, where you have to check out our community about frog culture, what we have to do future. So here we have to do our community powers, where we get by driven by to our beautiful crypto fans. We have to show our fun cultures and most important future potentials here. And guys, now I want to tell you how you have to buy. Here is a very simple and very easy method, guys. I tell you that I have to say you have to join our official Telegram community, where you get all of the further updates, announcements, our upcoming news here. So you have to join right here now. Now we want to go, and you can buy here at Rhythm. So here what you have to do, guys, as I tell you that you have to simply connect your wallet, and we are basically on Solana blockchain. You have to simply connect to your wallet. Like here you can connect your Phantom MetaMask. After connecting your wallet, like here you can see that my Bitget wallet is connected, guys. You have to also connect this, then you have to put some soul, and then you can easily buy here owner. Then you can easily buy Stoner Frog token here, and you can also check out our bluish graph. Here you can also see our today price of 25 August 2025. Right here now, what is the price of air, and it's completely bluish, and it will be go, and further it will be pumping soon in future. So you have to buy, like here I tell you, this is only why you have to buy, because here is too much vibes, chill, fun, and we have to build our culture. And here is our community driven platform, and we have to just doing a very strong community. So here is the our some of the guys. You know that I always tell you, if you have to join any of the platform, you have to mostly read out, check out their roadmap carefully, then you have to join. Here I am also representing Stoner Frog roadmap, where I will tell you how what we have to do, what we have to take about our past, future developments about our project. Here you can see that we have to divided our platform into different phases. In phase one, we have to launch our platform, and then we go to our we have to increase our community. expand, we have to collapse with partnerships, and then we have to go for the pump here right now. And guys, here are a lot of things that we you have to mostly join our all of the community. Like you have to, as I tell you in start, you have to mostly follow on our Twitter account. You have to like, comment, retweet. Here are all of our updates. Here is all of our sites is also available on our Twitter socials account. Here you can see. You have to mostly join our Telegram community, as I tell you earlier, and you have to also hop on our Discord, where you have to connect with our meme, with our crew vibes, and you can also here join, and you never miss this. And guys, I also tell you about our community, where you have to join, where you have to stay connected for our further updations, news, and announcements. So you have to stay connected with us, guys, and we will do a lot of things like on our here you can see that our very beautiful meme gallery, our collections that we have to create. Now here you can see that this toner frog's beautiful. Here he is just going bluish pumping, and here we have to just flew up, and we have to go, and we have to never give up. These are all of the our galleries, guys. And for further update, please connect with our team, with me. And I hope you enjoy this and you join. See you next video. Thanks for watching.